Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If you have ever had trouble starting your car, you might be dealing with a bad battery. In today's video, we'll go over the most common symptoms of a bad car battery. Let's get started. So one of the first signs of a bad battery is a slow engine crank. If you turn the key and hear a sluggish or delayed cranking sound, your battery might not have enough power to start the engine efficiently. The second symptom is clicking sound when turning the key. Another common sign is a clicking sound when you try to start the car. This happens when the battery doesn't have enough charge to power the starter motor. If you hear multiple clicks but no start, your battery could be on its way out. The third symptom is decreased electrical power. Modern cars rely on battery power for many functions. If you notice your headlights are dim or flickering, your power windows move slowly, your radio cuts out, or your AC struggles, your battery may not be supplying enough power. The fourth symptom is battery warning light on dashboard. If your battery or charging system warning light pops up on your dashboard, don't ignore it. This can mean your battery is weak, your alternator isn't charging properly, or there's another electrical issue. The fifth symptom is swollen or corroded battery. Take a look at your battery under the hood and see a white or bluish powder on the battery terminals. That's corrosion. It can cause starting problems and even damage your vehicle's electrical system. Next, swollen. You will notice the battery is large in size. A swollen battery is a sign of battery failure, usually caused by internal chemical reactions that generate excess gas inside the battery casing. Causes of a swollen car battery, like overcharging, excessive voltage from the alternator or charger, causes the battery to overheat and produce excess gas. Extreme heat. High temperatures can accelerate chemical reactions, leading to gas buildup inside the battery. The sixth symptom is bad battery smell. A strong, sulfur-like rotten egg smell coming from your battery could mean it's leaking gas due to overcharging or internal damage. If you notice this smell, replace the battery immediately. The last symptom is jump-starting the car. If you find yourself needing to jump-start your car frequently, that's a big red flag. A healthy battery should hold a charge, so if it keeps dying, it may be time for a replacement. A simple way to check your battery is with a multimeter. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off, and about 13.7 to 14.7 volts. When the engine is running, if the voltage is too low, it's time for a replacement. Most car batteries last around 3 to 5 years. If yours is older and showing any of these symptoms, it's probably time for a replacement. Be proactive and do not wait until you are stranded. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.